This is Nick, Local 86. What are we doing today, Nick?
We are wiring up a motor control board, and the purpose of this motor control board is to drop this rocket on a unassuming country.
Okay, very good.
Okay, and the deal is that
Country A and Country B?
Country A, Country B have to agree that they're going to drop the bomb on unassuming country.
Okay.
And that either of them can press the emergency stop after the launch sequence has started.
So there's a timing sequence?
Timing sequence.
There's a timing sequence, there's a countdown, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So what happens is once you start the launch sequence, it's going to go 5 seconds, and then the red light's going to start. 5 seconds, the yellow light's going to start. 5 seconds, the blue light's going to start. And after that 5 seconds, a siren is going to ring for 5 seconds. And once that happens, the bomb's going to drop and the siren's going to go off.
What's holding that bomb right there? Oh, it's a door holder. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's take it from the top. Let's do one and then see how it works, and then we'll do an abort on the second one, okay?
Okay.
So just push one country,
you'll see
right?
Country A.
Yeah, can't do it.
He can't do it by himself. Country B, he can't do it by himself. But if you get both of them at the same time.
I see a latching relay over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's our countdown. Nice. Good. Okay, let's do it now. We can reset this with the abort button, right?
Correct.
Okay, so now we're taking it from the top.
I'm gonna fix my wing here.
Yeah. Okay, good. Now let's just do it again, and let's just test to make sure the abort button works.
So now we're in the countdown again. Red light, yellow light. You wanna?
Yeah, go ahead, hit abort. Yeah, that's fine.
Boom.
All right, nice. And the missile stayed intact with the abort button. The phone that I'm using actually has an Alexa Wi-Fi tied into a 120 volt ice cube that can actually hack the whole system and launch the missile at any time, but unfortunately I can't activate that while I'm shooting the video. Very good job. Thank you, everybody.